Is an app on your iPhone refusing to open or crashing instantly? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue in just a few simple steps. Let's get right in. First, force quit the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, pause to open the app switcher and swipe up on the app to close it. Then try reopening it. Sometimes that's all it takes to fix an app crashing issue. An app that has not been updated in a while can also start crashing. Always keep your apps updated and turn on automatic updates. Check if any updates are available for your app by going to the App Store and tapping on your profile picture from the top. Scroll down and update the apps with pending updates. For apps like Safari or social media apps, you can try cleaning the cache. Open the app's in-app settings and look for an option like Clear Cache, Clear History or Offload App Data. Remember, not all apps offer this option, but some do, especially browsers and social media apps. If the app is still not working, restart your iPhone. A quick reboot can fix temporary glitches on both the system and apps. To do this, press and hold the volume up button and side button until you see the power off menu, then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and turn the device back on. App is still not working? Delete and reinstall it. Tap and hold on the icon and then tap on Remove App option. From the pop-up menu, tap on Delete App. After that, go to the App Store and reinstall the app you just deleted. This usually fixes corrupted app data. If the problem happens across multiple apps, try resetting all settings on your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General. Here, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and finally tap on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your iPhone's data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi and permissions. That's it. One of these steps should get your app working once again. If it still crashes, it may be a bug in the app. Contact the developer or wait for an update. Hit the like button if this helped and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks just like this one. See you in the next video.